Hello everyone. This is the tool I have written based on PyQt framework and WazirX API. Basically, what this tool does is it takes your all trades entry which are completed in your right section. This you can enable it from here, and you can add your entries over here. Um, the first thing which you have to fill out is what order you have placed on the WazirX. Let's say we have placed an order for BTC. The quantity is 0.5 and the buy price was 25 lakh. Okay, cool. So as this is a buy entry, I will add more entries to it. Let's say see BTC. Then I bought another zero point 0.2 bitcoins worth of 23 lakh, right? Okay, I'm gonna add a couple more entries over here. Let's say Dogecoin. Uh, we bought here about 1600 at the price of 2.85 rupees. Okay, then we bought another touch coin of 500. Let's see, the price is 2.55. Okay, so let's say these four entries we have, which are the actual orders which got executed on the platform itself. All you need to do is click on update. So as these all are buy entries, this will get turned into green, and then you can click on go live. So the go live button basically tracks real-time prices of your coins. So here I'm seeing the conversion is in INR, so BTC to INR 0.7 quantity. So as you can see here, now we have the average of it and the total of it as well. So the total quantity is 0.7 and the average price goes about 24 lakh 42,000, right? And the current price, as you can see, is like 16 lakhs. So here I'm seeing a loss, which is like BTC, I'm having a loss of 5 lakh here about. And on the Dogecoin side, you can see we have total quantities of 2100 and the average price is 2.7 and current price is going on 5.25. So here you can see we are in the profit of 5,190 rupees. In the bottom section, you can see we have total invested amount. That is basically what amount we have for the buy. And then what is the current values? This is the overall value based on the profit and loss calculation, right? So here we can see like total investment amount was 17 lakh 15,835 and the current value is going around 11 lakh 31,000. So here we can see the we are overall in the loss of 5 lakh 84,806. As I said, it's a real time, so this will be getting updated constantly. And if you don't want to monitor all your holdings live, all you can do is disconnect, right? Also, you can add further more entries. Let's say later on you decided to sell some of the BTC. Okay, so let's say 0.4 BTC we have sold at the price of 30 lakh. Cool. I'll click on update. And as you can see, this is a sell entry. It is in the red now. And as I have updated here, now again you can check here. So BTC earlier it was 0.7. As soon as I will click on go live, this will get changed to 0.3 and average prices are also changed. And based on current price, the calculations we have is of 2,29,000. Right. So this was a small tool written for looking at all the holdings which we have as a trader or the investor, because these functions are not offered on the WazirX at the moment. So yeah, I'm open for your feedbacks or if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer you. Thank you for watching.